Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? Hope everything is fine at your end. You must have learned the summary of the poem Try Again. Today we'll do exercises of unit number 3, Try Again. So here comes the exercises. The first question is vocabulary. You have to learn the meanings of the given words. I'm going to read them out one by one. The first word is heed. It means attention, persevere, firm, strive, struggle, case, matter, patience, tolerance. Is it clear? Okay. Our next topic is synonyms. You know very well, synonyms means yes, same meanings. Means we have to write down the same meanings of the given words. I am going to read them out one by one and you have to write the meanings on the box with your lead pencils. Okay, should I start? The first word is courage. It means mettle, conquer, capture, disgrace, humiliation, hard, tough, reward, award. Got it? Okay, good. Students, now we shall discuss simile. That is a figure of speech. It is actually a comparison between two different things using the words like or as. For example, he is as fast as a horse. It is as cold as ice. These are the similes because word as is used. If I say he acts like a baby, this is also a simile because in simile we use like or as. Now in exercise B, you have to select the choice that tells the meaning of simile as used in the sentence. The first sentence is, on the cold winter day, under the covers, I kept as snug as a bug in a rug. The simile as snug as a bug in a rug means there were bugs in my bed. I was cozy in my bed. I was too cold to stay in bed. And the correct meaning is I was cozy in my bed. Second sentence is the new teacher was as sweet as apple pie. The simile as sweet as apple pie means the new teacher was nice, the new teacher was big from eating too much pie, or the new teacher was rude. The new teacher was nice. Third sentence is their leader was as wise as an owl. The simile wise as an owl means the leader thought he could fly, the leader could talk to the owls, or the leader knew a lot of things. Option C, the leader knew a lot of things. Sentence number 4. The shopping center was like a 3-ring circus the day before Eid. The simile like a 3-ring circus means the shopping center was quiet, the shopping center was big, or the shopping center was really busy. Yes, the correct option is the shopping center was really busy. Sentence number 5. Danish threw such a temper outburst over such a tiny thing. He was acting like a baby. The simile like a baby means Danish was mature, Danish was acting childish, or Danish was babysitting. Danish was acting childish. Sentence number 6. Mohsin was as explosive as volcano when he found out his bike had been stolen. The simile as explosive as a volcano means Mohsin was happy, Mohsin was angry, or Mohsin was calm. Correct option is Mohsin was angry. Okay, got it? Good. Now comes the exercise number C. We have to fill in the blanks by using the similes. What simile can be used for turtle? As slow as turtle. As quiet as night. As black as coal. As tall as a tree. As a lemon. As sour as a lemon. And as honey, as sweet as honey. Are you following me? Okay. Our next topic is alliteration. The repetition of the same sounds or of the same kinds of sounds at the beginning of words or in stressed syllables. Alliteration is another figure of speech, and it is the repetition of same consonant sounds at the beginning of words. For example, if I say his house, both the words are starting with the letter H. So, this is an example of alliteration. As you can see in the example, she sells seashells by the seashore. All the words are starting with S. She sells seashells, seashore. So, this is an example of alliteration. Yes. Now, what you have to do? You have to read the poem again and find out the example of alliteration where you can see the repetition of same consonant sounds. Got it? Good. Now comes the grammar topic. In grammar topic, we have the first topic, pronoun. What is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. It is used to avoid the repetition of the noun. So here we are going to discuss only the personal pronouns. Basically, the personal pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she and it. Now you can see that first person, second person and third person is mentioned. First person pronoun is I and we, second person pronoun you, and third person pronoun he, she, it or they. Got it? So you can see there is mentioned subject pronouns, object pronouns and possessive pronouns. These pronouns I, you, he, she, it, they are used as a subject pronoun in a sentence. In place of I, in object place, we mention me, and for we mention us in object case. You remains you for both subject cases and object cases. For he, we mention him at object place, she, her, and it remains it, and they, them. Them is used at the object place. Then comes the possessive pronouns. Possessive means to show possession or belonging of something. For example, if I say this book is mine, so mine is the possessive pronoun. For possessive case, we use my or mine or ors for first person, for second person your or yours, and for third person his or hers, its or their. Got it? So this is the first person, second person and third person pronoun with subject case, object case and the possessive case. Got it? Now here comes the exercise according to the pronouns. Fill in the blanks with correct pronouns. First sentence is there is no need to shout. I can hear you. I is the pronoun at the subject place. Got it? Second sentence is you and I work well together. We are a good team. We is the first person pronoun. We have got a bit of problem. Could you help me please? You is the subject case. Me is the object case. Okay. Fourth sentence. This is a good photo, isn't it? Is Samina in it? Yes, that's her. Look, she is next to Fahad. Who did this mowing? I did it this morning. Number 6. Is this Ahmed's bag? No, he didn't bring one. It can't belong to him. 7. I am looking for my shoes. Have you seen them? Yes, they are here. Okay. Exercise B is select a personal pronoun that agrees with the subject of each sentence. The group has dash meeting here. It's meeting here. Anyone can get his or her name in the news. No one of the checks were cashed. They finally expired. We have written they according to the checks. His or her is mentioned according to anyone. My mother and her sister took their vacation together. All are welcome. They just need to call for the direction to the party. Sentence number 5. Venus and Mars have their orbits nearer to Earth than to any other planets. Number 6. The band starts. Yes, its tour tomorrow night. Any of the candidates could win. They are very much alike. Everybody has his or her own dreams and goals. Is it clear? Have you done with it? Okay. Our next topic is degrees of adjective. What is an adjective? Yes, adjective is a word that describes the noun. So we have 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. Hard is a positive degree, harder is comparative degree and hardest is superlative degree. Interesting is positive, more interesting comparative and most interesting superlative. For example, if I say Ahmed is a tall boy, so tall is positive degree. But if I say Ahmed is taller than Ali, taller is comparative degree. This degree is used for comparing two things and the word then is used. Ahmed is the tallest boy of all. Here tallest is the superlative degree. The is used before superlative degree. Now complete the sentences by supplying the correct degrees of adjective. Exercise number C. My family and I went to visit Murray last summer. Of all the summers I have had, I would say this was the, which degree will be used? Best summer ever, superlative degree. The is there and it is a superlative degree. Got it? In Murray, we enjoyed the horse ride. I rode a horse that ran faster and faster on the hills. We also climbed a tree, and when I reached the highest branch, I was tired than my sister. Then is used. So which degree we will use here? Comparative degree, more tired. Got it? I bought a jacket which was quite expensive, and my sister chose a sweater because she found it much cheap to buy, much cheaper to buy. After our trip, I feel I am the luckiest boy on earth, the luckiest, superlative degree. Have you mentioned it in your books? Okay, good. Next topic is order of adjective. When many adjectives are being used together, then we have to follow the order or sequence to use the adjectives. As you can see, first one is value, then size, then age or temperature, fourth one is shape, fifth one is color, sixth origin, and then comes material at the last. For your convenience to learn the order, keep in mind the abbreviation vsas.com, vsas.com, that represent the first letter of above mentioned order. Okay, vsas.com, this is the order of adjective: value, size, age, shape, color, origin and material. Keeping in mind the order of adjective, we have to fill in the blanks by arranging the adjectives in correct order. First sentence is, we saw grey, huge, a whale in the sea. Correct order is a huge grey. Second sentence is, Babar uses the blue medium rubber ball for basketball practice. Medium blue rubber ball. Okay. Third sentence is, Mehreen brought few chocolate dark triangular bars to the birthday party. A few triangular dark chocolate. Fourth sentence is, the pyramids of Egypt are made out of rock, enormous rectangular boulders. Enormous rectangular rock. Fifth sentence is, Shahid can eat thin crust square 5 pizza slices. 5 square thin crust pizza slices. Have you mentioned the correct order in your books? Okay, should we move forward? Okay. Here comes an interesting topic, ejective phrase. So what is a phrase? We've already discussed the word phrase is a group of words without complete meaning. An adjective phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective in a sentence. For example, the black umbrella is mine. The umbrella with a broken handle is mine. In example A, the adjective black describes the umbrella. In example B, the adjective phrase with a broken handle describes the umbrella. It does the work of an adjective. Now I'll give you some hints as we did it in noun phrase to identify the ejective phrase in a sentence. So the very first hint is ejective phrase always starts with a preposition. As you can see in the example B, with a broken handle. What is with? Yes, this is a preposition. Second hint is it is followed by a noun. See example B. Ejective phrase is starting right after the noun as it is referring back to the noun. So, ejective phrase starts after a noun and it answers the question which. Ejective phrase always answers the question which. See example, the umbrella with a broken handle is mine. The umbrella is mine. What question can we form? Yes, which umbrella is mine? The umbrella with a broken handle is mine. So keep it in mind, 3 hints that adjective phrase starts with a preposition, it is followed by a noun, and it always answers which. Is it clear? Now let's solve the exercise. Keeping in mind all the 3 hints, we have to identify the ejective phrases. The first sentence is, he bore a banner with a strange device. First hint was, it starts with a preposition, it is followed by a noun, and it answers which. Good. So what can be the adjective phrase in the first sentence? With a strange device. It is following all the 3 hints. With is preposition, banner is noun, and which banner. Got it? Second sentence is, the principal of this school is on leave. Adjective phrase is of this school. Which principal? Of is preposition and principal is noun. Third sentence is, the decision of the judges is final. What can be the adjective phrase in this sentence? Of the judges. Good. The tops of the mountains were covered with snow. Of the mountains. Of is preposition, tops is noun, and which tops were covered with snow? Of the mountains. Last sentence is, the runner in the rear did not qualify. In the rear. Got it? Have you done with ejective phrases? Good. Keep it up. Next topic is future indefinite tense. The words will and going to both are used to show future tense. But you must know the difference between will and going to. When we talk about future plannings in general, we use will. And when we talk about any strong intention or fixed arrangement, we use going to. So we have to put in will or going to in these sentences. A. We don't have any bread. B. I know I am going to get some from the shop. Second, A. We don't have any bread. B. Really? I will get some from the shop then. A. Why do you need to borrow my suitcase? B. I am going to visit my mother in Multan next month. A. I am really cold. B. I am going to turn the heating on. Sentence number 5. A. Are you going to Jamshed's wedding tonight? B. Yes. Are you going to? I will give you a lift. A. Are you busy today? Would you like to have coffee? B. Sorry. I will go to the library. I have been planning to study all day. A. Why are you carrying a hammer? B. I am going to put up some pictures. Got it? Have you done? Now students, we have done with all the exercises. What you people have to do, you have to learn all the exercises properly, as these are the part of your objective type paper. So do focus the learning of exercises. Wish you best of luck. Allah Hafiz.